Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I help English learners improve their skills, gain confidence, and become fluent speakers. In today's video, I want to share something really important: 5 common mistakes you should avoid when learning English. These mistakes slow down your progress, make you feel stuck, and sometimes even kill your motivation. But don't worry, once you're aware of them, you can fix them easily. So, let's jump right into it. 1. Focusing too much on grammar. One of the biggest mistakes I see English learners make is spending way too much time trying to perfect grammar, learning tenses, passive voice, conditionals, and all those complex rules before they even start speaking. While grammar is important, it shouldn't be your main focus in the beginning. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You don't study every part of the bike before riding it. You just hop on and learn by doing. Similarly, with English, it's better to start communicating, even with simple sentences. Say things like, I go to school. She likes music. We are tired. Short and clear. As you grow more confident, grammar will come naturally. So don't let grammar hold you back from using the language. 2. Being afraid to make mistakes. Now, this one is very common: the fear of making mistakes. So many people avoid speaking because they're afraid of saying the wrong thing. But let me tell you something very important. Making mistakes is how you learn. Think about how children learn to speak. They make grammar mistakes, use the wrong words, and pronounce things incorrectly. But they keep talking. And guess what? Adults correct them, but they never stop the child from learning. You need to give yourself that same permission. It's okay if your sentences aren't perfect. What matters is that people understand you, and you're practicing. Every mistake you make teaches you something. So speak with courage. The more you speak, the faster you improve. 3. Relying only on textbooks. Another mistake I often see is relying only on textbooks. Now, textbooks are great for structure and explanations, but they don't show you how English is actually spoken in the real world. For example, a textbook might say, I am not fond of that idea, but in everyday conversation, a native speaker would probably say, I don't really like that idea. See the difference? One sounds natural, the other sounds formal and outdated. To learn modern, natural English, you need to mix your learning with real content. Watch English movies and TV shows, listen to podcasts, follow English YouTubers, and even scroll through English-speaking social media. You'll hear how people use the language in casual, fast, and modern ways, which is exactly what you need to sound fluent and natural. 4. Ignoring listening and speaking practice. Now let's talk about another big one: ignoring listening and speaking. A lot of learners focus only on reading and writing. And sure, those are important. But if you want to speak English well, you must train your ears and your mouth too. Imagine trying to learn to swim by only reading a book. You'll never feel confident in the water. English is the same. You have to listen to the rhythm, the pronunciation, the intonation. One great method is shadowing, where you listen to a native speaker and try to copy their speech in real time, like an echo. It helps with your accent and fluency. Also, don't be shy to speak. Record yourself, talk to friends, or join language exchange groups online. The more you speak and listen, the faster your brain will adjust to the language. 5. Translating from your native language. And finally, mistake number 5. Translating from your native language word for word. This is a big obstacle for many learners. It's natural to think in your first language, but English has a different structure, different idioms, and a different rhythm. When you translate directly, your sentences often sound awkward or even confusing. For example, some languages say, "I have 25 years," but in English, we say, "I am 25 years old." So instead of translating, train your brain to think in English, even if it's just with simple thoughts. Start with things around you. I am eating. The sun is bright. She is smiling. This daily habit helps you become fluent without having to pause and translate everything. It makes your thinking faster and your speaking more natural. So, let's do a quick recap. The 5 mistakes you should avoid when learning English are focusing too much on grammar, being afraid to make mistakes, relying only on textbooks, ignoring listening and speaking practice, and translating directly from your native language. Avoiding these common traps will help you improve much faster, feel more confident, and actually enjoy the learning process. Learning English doesn't have to be overwhelming. It just needs the right mindset, consistent practice, and a bit of patience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's also learning English, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical English tips every single week. I'd also love to hear from you. Have you made any of these mistakes yourself? Which one are you working on right now? Leave a comment down below, and I'll respond personally. I always enjoy chatting with you in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. You've got this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Hi.